Hello everyone, I'm at Europa Park and I'm in front of the Majorette store, one of the best attractions in this park. No, I'm kidding, that's the Voltron, that's definitely my favorite. But we're going to have a look inside to see what they have. And of course, they have the Europa Park exclusive models right here. $7.95 for this truck, the Mac Granite. Europa Park Chase. Well, I call it a Chase because it's gold, but I'm not sure if it's a Chase. Very nice Volkswagen here with the Europa Park mascot. A nice pink Beetle and a Porsche. Got to have this Porsche. How cool is that? For the blue fire with the photo. We got another one right here, Mercedes-Benz, also with not the blue fire, silver. Dario, wat was die snelle achtbaan ook alweer? Silver? Silver Star, that's the one I was looking for. Traumatica, definitely a must-have. A really cool deco on it. This one is also pretty nice. I like the wheels. We got the ambulance. Then we're going to the other side where we have the ones with the caravan. Really nice. And the one with the boat is also definitely a must-have in my opinion. Then we got the tram Europa Park. And here we got a lot more of the Majorette assortment. Here we got the new premium versions, including my favorite Toyota Hilux. Bugatti is also a nice one. And I like the Chevrolet Camaro, definitely a good one. They have the new Care Bears, including the Chase. This is the Chase Care Bear. It's still hanging on the pegs. What is it doing here? Oh yeah, that is also my favorite. Definitely going to buy this one. Can you keep this one for me in your hand? Thank you very much. Care Bear, yes, and here we got another Care Bear. Can we see on the back of the... Yes, we can see the whole set. Where is the Porsche? The Porsche, I already showed you the Porsche. I think that's also a nice one. We got the transport trucks. The Rimac Nevera. The cool thing is they have a real Rimac Nevera in this park. And I'm going to show you that in this video, if I do not forget. Here is the Rimac Nevera that I was talking about. I hope you can see it a little bit. There's a lot of reflection, but I think, hey guys, I think the cool thing is, yes, I'm wearing Crocs. The specs of this machine, it is very impressive. Acceleration, top speed, power, torque, it's just amazing. And very nice with that blue, that kinky blue, I love it. Serious cool car. Rimac Nevera. Okay, back to the video. There's so much to see in this park. It is really great. And this Majorette store makes it even better. Of course they have the Majorette AMG Deluxe set. This is one of my favorites from this set. Yes, my son is telling me you can make your own car. That is the cool thing about this store. You can make your own Majorette car. Not sure if I'm going to do that. I already did a video a while ago. But that's indeed a nice thing to do if you are in this park and you can make your own very nice Majorette car. Whoa! Can we see the... this is also a very nice set. Tractors, the class gift bag. Did a review about it on my YouTube channel. Here we have a very nice view of a lot of new Majorette models. I was hoping to find the new DTM models here in Europa Park, but unfortunately they're not here. But they have a lot of other nice things, and the store is very well packed. The Japan racers, definitely a must-have. We also have the Majorette police gift bag, Kia Stinger police, Aston Martin, Lambo, Volvo, and this is based on a real model. France Police is driving around in that one. Rimac Nevera gift bag, definitely a must-have in my opinion. And they still have, oh, lots of more Rimac Nevera. I love this color, rainbow color. And this one is also a nice one. Oh, they have all the new ones here. And they still have the cast hats gift bag. Very good gift bag. Muddy cars, I like that. They also have the new neon racers right here. Color changers, also very nice. Especially this Alfa Romeo, nice with the black rims. Really like that. Neon racers, plenty on the backs. Tuning parts inside. Let's see if there is a chase. A lot of people don't know about the chases. Oh, these are also fantastic. Whoa. Let's go. Ooh, they have the note arts in single pack. I found it a while ago in France. Unfortunately, I can't buy all the models I see because I don't have much room, and it's very unhandy if I walk with all these models. Whoa, this is new in the park. So, yeah. I haven't seen this one before. Pretty cool. And this one is also very nice. Monster truck, bug. Okay, let's go to the other side. See, we got some park models. Yeah, and here you can build your own car. They're doing that with that machine over there. And there you have to press start right here. And you choose your car. I'm going for the Bugatti. Yes, you choose a chassis. I want a black chassis. How about the interior? I want a black interior. Car, already did that, right? Oh no, I'm going for the blue one. What is police one? No. This one, this one, this one. Oh, green is pretty nice. And what is this? Oh, we already did that. And then we can print. Go to the production desk. Don't forget your ticket. Yes. What do you have to pay? €7.50. I think that's a very good price. And then we have to wait right here. €14 en nou die.
Aber nur die Hände, gell? Nicht
Yes.
oben, ja?
Ja, ja, ja.
Nicht der Kopf.
Nein, absolut nicht. So I chose green, but I later decided to make it yellow. I think that's a more beautiful color when I was looking here, but with a black interior. See, he's putting the black interior in. Spoiler. And then the chassis.
Yes.
And then the most important part. Yeah, yeah, I see it. It looks very nice. It looks very nice. Yeah, very nice. Finished. What? Wow! Das ist cool.
Stickers?
Stickers, ja.
Voilà.
Super. Dankeschön. So I'm really happy with my Majorette. The person inside thought it was for my son. It's actually for me. I like it. Thank you so much, Majorette store, Europa Park, for this beautiful day here in Germany, Rust. And I'm going to do some more roller coasters. Life is great here in Europa Park. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hype, and I'll see you soon with more Diecast. Bye!